Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. In this video I am here to share with you some delicious, flavorful, beautiful, tasty what else, what's lovely, delicious Abunabunu Ghana soup. Okay, this soup is mainly known in Ghana. Everybody loves it, especially when you get your fufu, fresh pounded fufu or kenke, or even you can enjoy with mutu, or that is rice ball. Guys, this is your soup right here. OBAAPA, it is here. I am going to share with you. I'm going to teach you so you can make for your visitors, for your husband, for your family, for your co-workers. As you can see, OBAAPA is chucha kontomwa. Alright guys, let's get started. So in the ingredients, I have my fresh crab right here that I'm going to use. I have some smoked fish. This is Adwene-Takra. And also I have my salted fish. And I have some turkey wings that I'm going to use. And also guys, I have some nama. If you know nama, that is beef intestine in the middle. I'm going to add it to it. And also I have my snails. Guys, you cannot go Abunabunu soup without snails, you know what I mean. And also I have my salted beef. Guys, this is my meat. You can use any meat of your choice though. And also I have my precursor. I have my mushrooms also is going to go in the soup. I have my fresh organic baby spinach. Guys, we don't have contumely in our blood, so we are using baby spinach. And also guys, I'm using some fresh more bell peppers, guys. And also I have habanero, fresh tomato, one small onion, some basil spice, all-purpose spice, and I also have mixed spice right here, and the blue container is salt. Alright guys, and also I have my ginger and garlic paste. I am going to use that to season my meat. So let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, I have a clean pot. I added some water. I am going to boil my spinach with it, and also the pepper, that is the habanero. And guys, I like to add a little bit twist to my soup. This time around I am going to add my snails to cook with the spinach, because that way you get more flavor. And I'm going to use that soup or that water to seasoning my meat. Okay, so yes, go ahead and add the snails and cook with the spinach, and guys, thank me later. Okay, so after you let it cook for about 5 minutes, go ahead and check and make sure that everything is cooking evenly. That is what we want. Okay, that is what OBAAPA is doing. And then we are going to cover it again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. OBAAPA, enough with the stirring. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, so next we are going to get our strainer. The reason why I got a strainer is that I'm going to take all my snail out, because the snails are nicely cooked. As you can see, it is very cooked, and you can tell the water, the color has changed. It's from the snails. That is what I want. So after I take all the snails out, I am going to strain this water, okay, and I'm going to blend the spinach. So as you can see, this water right here, it is so good, and you need it. This is going to make your soup taste nice. Okay, so this is what I have right here. So in my clean pots, I am going to add all my meat. You can add any meat of your choice. You can add a snake, you can add crocodile, you can add turtle, you can I'm just kidding guys. So just go ahead and add all your meats of your choice. I'm adding some fresh crab, and you know, some turkey wings, and adwene, and Kobe, and you know, it's a lot of stuff. So right now I'm going to add the water right here. This is the best time. Remember that I told you I'm going to use that water to season this meat. Okay, and I am going to add my mushrooms. Guys, this is different kinds of mushroom that normally you can find some in Ghana. It's very nice. And also I added my spice in there, and my chopped onions or diced onions. So I cut that onion into half, and I cut one into pieces, and then I'm going to use the other half also and I added my tomato. So this is how it look, guys. So far my soup is looking very yummy. So I just added my snails, which is already cooked for a little bit, and then we're going to add some of the paste from the ginger and the garlic. Okay, remember that I show you this is what it is. Alright guys, so after we add our ginger and garlic paste, we are going to add the bell peppers. Okay, instead of adding tomatoes, small tomatoes, I'm adding bell peppers. That is my twist to it. Okay, and I added some salt. We're just going to cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, we are going to open the lid and check and see how it's doing so far. As you can see, it is doing amazingly, cooking delicious, and you know, you can tell that this soup is going to taste really nice because it got all this meat to make this soup taste good. Bapa, my soup is good. Yeah guys, so this is really nice. So after we are done stirring this soup, we are going to cover it again this time around. Okay, and let it cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we are going to add, what is next? The spinach. Okay, it is all blended and, you know, to liquid consistency. That is what we want, and we are going to, you know, just let it simmer and, you know, just let it cook slowly and, you know, stuff like that. But de me penkwamunu ye pa me penkwamunu. So as you can see, me person who said this soup is gonna taste nice. Okay, right now guys, I am going to add my precursor. What I did to the precursor is that I bake it in the oven because my stove is glass and I can't, you know, just mint to no stove, and so like you normally know how they do it in Ghana. So I just bake it a little bit and then I added it to the soup. So it be answer sign. Yeah, it's the same thing, same procedure, same thing guys. Okay, yeah guys, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm free soup idiot and I'm pa. So right now our soup is nicely cooking. Of course, you have to leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes slowly, because in kwanya me you baby cry you baby kakra for now. Okay guys, so right now it is done cooking. It is time to take the peppers and the tomato and the half onion, everything that, you know, it is in there that it needs to be taken out. We're going to take it out and we are going to blend it, and then we're going to add it to the soup. As you can see, that is what OBAAPA is doing. I don't really too fear how much I say. Let me fear how you shaman kasa. Say, oh jai guys. When you be my ukunu may need the how papa, because this soup is smelling very nice. It is very, very tasty. Why I read the tree muna. You see, one says more in Ninya, what you see. Guys, I'm going to add my blended bell peppers, tomato, and onion, and I'm just gonna stir it just a little bit, and I'm gonna leave it on to boil or to simmer for about 5 minutes. And if you like more spice, you can just add, you know, more peppers, or you can add squash, or you can add whatever you want, okra or okro. And guys, just like that, our soup is done. So right now I made some fufu that I'm going to enjoy with it. I am going to make a recipe about this fufu very soon, so you guys will know how I made this fresh stove fufu. Okay, this is not microwave fufu, this is freshly made from the stove. It just tastes delicious like the home. So if you like this recipe, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and then I will see you on my next video. Your coupon should be Biara. Have a blessed weekend. I will see you on my next one. Bye. Try answer. Before you what's the egg try. Now you have to know how this soup tastes. Cinnamon try fufu, guys. Fresh fufu you never get to. Find it. Nice. One day. Bye. Yes. Guys, one it be tasty. Adwene-Takra no. Any in one. She said, this is the best.